Hey guys, today we're gonna continue the akinator series, sorry guys, I don't know if we actually got 2 likes on the last video, and I'm gonna continue the series even though if we didn't get 2 likes because I know it's hard. Yeah, so yeah, and sorry guys, I'm a little sick, and remember to subscribe for more content of this video. As you can see, I said in the last video we'll make a list, and so this video we're gonna do gaming and the next video. Yeah, and then after that we'll change it. Okay. So first, I've been thinking of it, and I picked in Minecraft the main guy. It's Notch. He's the creator of Minecraft. If you don't know Minecraft, it's an amazing game, very famous. Okay. So let's do this. Character in an adult man. Yes, but he's in the game, so let's just say yes anyway. Recorded any albums? Don't know. Actually, no. Sorry, guys. Slowly. Okay, let's just say yes. Will that work? Okay, guys. I think I'll come right back when it's there. Okay. Okay, guys. So actually, it worked now. So let's continue. Is it a character from YouTube? Nope. Is it a character rapper? Nope. Is it a character modern? Probably not. Is it a character real? No. From a TV series? No. It's a character original from a video game. Originally, well, pretty much always. Do you control the character? I think you could. You could. No, I didn't. Is a character use guns? If there's a mod, but I don't. Let's just say no. Does a character have a mustache? No, he does have a beard though. So let's just say probably not. Is a character from a horror game? Nope. Is a character running back? Is a character running back? No. Is a character fight with a sword? You could, but I know what he's thinking. Like in the last video where I said Link, and he's gonna think that, so let's just say it. Character use a bow. Yes. Does a character make your ears bleed? No. Character from guys, I think he's gonna say character from Sweden. Don't know. I think it might have better. Is a character from Tiny Toons Adventures? Does the character have any sorry, have any obsession with pigs? Actually, I feel like he does. Let's say don't. And then the main character. No, he's thinking of Steve. Oh, I know it. He was thinking Steve, but it was not. I'm sorry. See. Continue. Yes. Is the character in Pocket Edition? Don't know. Is your character a gender swapped version of official character? Don't know. Is your character worked for him? Don't know. Does the character have pure white eyes? Don't know. Is the character left-handed? Oh no. Is the character linked with SpongeBob SquarePants? Nope. Does the character wear golden armor? No. Does the character play in Half? I don't know. No. From Storyboard? No. Character Fever? No. Hold the pickaxe. It could! Let's just say yes. Is the character evil? He's the gift of Brian. No. Is the name of your character the name of kind of film Notch? Anyway. Is the character using axe? It could. Probably. The YouTuber. Nope. Captain. I guess. From an iPhone, Android app. Is the character no? Is he a YouTuber? Let me quickly, guys. I'll be back. Minecraft gaming. Oh, I think it is Minecraft, guys. So just go back here to that. It's a character no for but yes. Let's use a shovel. Wow. Yo, you could so it's a simple. Character involved with my so character. Oh, I know he's thinking. No. I know who you're thinking, but I believe this is not for young people. Okay, he thinks not for my age. So, guys, that didn't work. Let's think something else. I think I'm gonna do this for Minecraft again. I'm gonna definitely pick the topic next time. This is gonna be my last one, probably. It's gonna be Herobrine. He's like a real evil guy in Minecraft. He's gonna get this definitely. No, he's a boy. He's not his brother. To say no. Yep, he got it. Herobrine. Need eye. I seen that why he said white eyes. Yeah, I don't forgot. He looks like Steve. Except that's still a different show. Yeah, guys. I think I can do one more because I have time. But I'll do this quickly. It's not gonna be my thing just because you guys like don't want to probably. Let's go back into the game. I'm thinking. I just realized it's an insect. It's a bug. Oh, I don't forget what it's called. It's a spider. Okay, guys. Yes. No. Nope. That it is no. No. I don't know. Probably movie. I don't know. Oops. That's Winnie the Pooh. Don't know. Anteater. I mean, it's an animal, but I guess it eat guys. It's on. But anyways, guys, I need to end the video here. It's been really weird, but you got almost everything wrong. except for here buying one. And please leave a like on this video and subscribe, and comment down below what you think of this series. And I guess it's time to say bye. So bye.